Hello, everybody. Good morning. My name is Thiagarajan, and I'm a network engineer with Airwire Networks. Today, let's talk about configuring file backup servers on ClearPass. So, configuring a file backup server on ClearPass could come really handy because you may always want to have uh, a copy of your configuration backup saved at an external source. I mean, ClearPass saves automatic configuration backups, yes, but if your ClearPass server itself were to go down, and if you end up reconstructing your entire ClearPass appliance, having a local copy of the backup wouldn't help because it would be gone. So it's always nice to have a copy of the configuration backup saved in some other external source, which you can retrieve and restore in the event of your ClearPass server going down or not usable. So before you can start sending automatic backup files to your file backup servers, you've got to ensure that automatic backup is first turned on ClearPass. By default, it is, but you have to ensure that you've not turned it off. So under cluster-wide parameters and under the database tab, ensure that the auto backup configuration options is not set to off. It could either be config or config and session info, but it shouldn't be set to off. So you can leave it a config because that is what is really important, your configuration data. The session info or the access tracker records, it may or may not be necessary for you. So once you ensure that automatic backup is enabled on ClearPass, under external servers, select file backup servers, and you can add your file backup server here. So the host field would contain the host name or the IP address of your server, 68.10.10, and the protocol, SCP or SFTP, the username, password, verify the password again, and this will be the remote directory. So the directory on your file backup server where the backup pushed from ClearPass will be stored. This will be a remote directory, and you can choose the ClearPass servers. So from which ClearPass servers the backup should be sent to your file backup server. I mean, normally just having the publisher in this list would suffice because, as you all know, even if you have multiple servers in your cluster, your subscribers simply have a copy of the configuration from your publisher. So just selecting the publisher here would actually suffice, but you could add one more server just to be safe. And once you've added that, just hit save. And every morning at around 1 a.m., when ClearPass takes an automatic backup of the configuration, it'll save a local copy and it'll also forward a copy of the backup file to the external file backup server that you're configuring here. That's all, folks. Thank you.